The story of a honest woodcutter. Once upon a time, a poor woodcutter lived in a small village. Every day, he went into the forest to cut wood and sell it for a living. One day, while chopping wood near a river, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the deep water. The woodcutter sat down and cried, as it was his only axe and he couldn't afford a new one. Suddenly, a fairy appeared from the river and asked, "Why are you crying?" He explained what had happened. The fairy dived into the water and came back with a golden axe. "Is this yours?" she asked. "No," replied the woodcutter. She dived again and returned with a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. "No," he said again. Finally, she brought up his old iron axe. "Is this the one?" she asked. "Yes," he said joyfully. The fairy was so impressed with his honesty that she gave him all 3 axes as a reward. Moral of the story is honesty is always rewarded.